Welcome to our guide on how to add an in-store shopping service to your Facebook page. Let's get started. Begin by opening the Facebook app and logging into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines, then scroll down and select Pages. Next, switch to your desired page by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top and selecting the page you wish to modify. Tap on your page's profile picture to proceed. Click on the Edit icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and find the Details section, then tap on Edit. Now it's time to add the in-store shopping service. Tap on Add Services, and from the options provided, select In-Store Shopping. Once you've made your selection, remember to save your changes by tapping the Save button at the bottom of the screen. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly enhance your Facebook page with an in-store shopping service, providing your customers with a seamless shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and happy enhancing.